Hello viewers, in this section of video, we will learn how to use the sum product function with multiple conditions. So for this, I have prepared a data. In this data, see there is one column E representing the date. There are numerous of dates ranging from 1st of Jan to 21st of March 2020, and then next column is items which are representing some items, say pen, pencils, copies, etc., and their quantities and their respective price. So the question here is, if we want to find the sum product, or we want to find that how much cost we have incurred in the month of January, in the month of January, or ranging from a specific date, say from 1st Jan to 15th of Jan, how much cost we have incurred with. So here in this long range of data, we can use the sum product function with multiple conditions. First of all, we will use the sum product conditions to find the sum product from a specific data range. See here I have placed two things, to date and from date. To date is representing the date from where I want to find the sum product, and from date is that date up to which I want to find the sum product of the data. So here it is representing that I want to find the sum product of data from 1st Jan to 15th of Jan. You may change it to any specific date that is occurring here in your data. So for this we will use the sum product function. I have firstly used this over here, which you can see. So I will use it again to show you that how we can use this. Let us just start to use this formula. I am deleting this formula and will be placing it again. I am using sum product, and then I will use two dash or minus sign to use the if condition. Now the if condition would be, I want the data from this date range. So I will be selecting this whole date range. This is from E2 to E310. I will be fixing this data range like this, and then I will be using the date conditions. So I just want to say that I want to see the data from this to date, including this date or above this date. So I will be using this, and I will be fixing L2 also. So it will be fixed L2. Then next conditions would be, I want to find the sum product only from this date, only up to this date, that is 15th of Jan, or this date could be any date. So I will be placing comma and then again two minus sign, which will be representing if condition, and then will be selecting again the same data range, this, and then now will be placing the condition that is less than and equal to this date. Now I will be closing this if condition, and I just want the sum product of this item quantity with price. So I will be selecting the first range, that is item quantity, this, comma, then second with which I want to find the sum product, this price range. So now you can see that I have selected both the ranges and have placed the both two conditions, that date range will vary from 1st of Jan to 15th of Jan. I will be closing this and placing enter. Now as you can see, this is giving me the answer for 47,547.98. To verify this, I am just letting you know that I have done this with multiple criteria, that is I will be multiplying the G column with H column, and the same result I would be getting for this date. So if I am selecting from 1st Jan to 15th of Jan, you can see that the answer is same. Now if